In this video, I'll show you how you can sell your Base44 template. So it's very simple. As you can see, there is many templates for sale. And I have also so as you can see, this is my Checkmark Academy. This is my template for $2. And how you can do this is open Base44, then open apps. And from here, you need to choose your app, which you want to put on Marketplace. So I'm going to choose this simple calculator. And once the project opens, what you need to do is click on Dashboard. And from here, choose Settings. Then choose Templates Marketplace. And from here, you need to create listing. So click on Create Listing. Now you can name your app. So let's say Calculator. Then you can add a description. Next, you need to select categories, which best describe your app. So as you can see, lifestyle, hobbies, and operations. Then you need to choose a listing type. So you can offer your template for free or paid. So you can choose price here. So let's say I'm going to choose like $5. Then you can also publish it for everyone. And you can also add screenshots of your app. So I'm going to quickly open my app and I'm going to take screenshot of it. So I'm going to take screenshot of it and I'm going to paste it here. As you can see, this is my screenshot. Then you need to agree to the Base44 terms and marketplace terms. So I'm going to agree and then you can click on create listing in top right corner. From here, you can view your total purchases or your earnings. So now you need to go to app templates and I'm going to look at it if it is there. So how you can do this is choose paid only. And then I need to find it. As you can see, it's there. So this is my calculator. I can view details. So this is how you can sell your template on Base44. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.